VideoCom Cloud is a powerful platform that provides a range of tools and features for managing and sharing your media assets. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, VideoCom Cloud can help you streamline your workflow and improve your media production processes. VideoCom Cloud gives you the ability to store your media in a secure, cloud-based environment. This means you can access your media files from anywhere with an internet connection and easily share them with colleagues, clients, or anyone else you choose. With VideoCom Cloud, you can set up permissions on the fly to control who can access your media and even collect detailed insights on how it's being consumed. Another major benefit of VideoCom Cloud is the ability to collaborate with your team. You can invite members to access, share, provide feedback, and collaborate on media files all within the platform. Plus, you can easily segregate your personal files from the ones you share, keeping your media organized and secure. VideoCom Cloud also provides advanced insights at your fingertips with simple but powerful dashboards. You can explore insights on a per-file basis or see the bigger picture for all files from your team in a workspace. And you can also add calls to actions and track viewer engagement to measure your demo success, helping you stand out and work more efficiently. Overall, VideoCom Cloud is an excellent platform for anyone who needs to manage and share media assets. By using its powerful tools and features, you can streamline your workflow and collaborate more effectively.
Welcome to the VideoCom Cloud platform. Once you've logged in at cloud.videocom.com, you'll discover two separate storage spaces. My Media. This is your personal storage space for all your individual files. Team Media. This is a shared space where you'll find all media files your team has shared. These two sections help to organize your files on the VideoCom Cloud platform. Within each area, you'll find collections, a convenient feature for further organizing your files. Switching between the areas is easy. Simply click on the desired section in the left menu bar. Take a look at the New button. This is your tool for uploading media files directly from your computer or creating new collections. The location of the uploaded files or newly created collections depends on which section you're in when you click New. If you're in My Media, they'll be uploaded or created there. The same applies to Team Media. Welcome to your hands-on guide for managing media files in VideoCom Cloud. To perform actions such as moving, renaming, downloading, or deleting a file, simply click on the three-dot icon. You'll find this located at the bottom right corner of the file's thumbnail in the tile view. This will reveal a convenient menu where you can execute these operations with ease. The same three-dot menu can be accessed from the top right corner when you're working with a specific file, offering the same functionalities. For batch operations, just check the box located at the top left corner of the file's thumbnail. This will reveal a toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can select multiple files to move or delete simultaneously. This is a handy tool for managing multiple files at once. In VideoCom Cloud, you can add a description and tags to your recordings. To start utilizing these tools in VideoCom Cloud, you'll find dedicated fields for inputting descriptions and tags directly beneath your video. It's as straightforward as typing in the relevant information and hitting save. Key advantages of including descriptions and tags in your recordings are organization. Descriptions and tags assist in maintaining a well-organized content library. Viewer engagement. By offering context, descriptions and tags can boost viewer engagement, as people are more likely to watch videos they know meet their needs. Accessibility. Descriptions serve as a brief summary for those who cannot immediately watch the video or have specific disabilities. Once you've included a description and tags for your recordings, you may want to further enhance them with attachments in VideoCom Cloud. Adding files as attachments to your video recordings can provide valuable context and supplementary information to your viewers, thereby enhancing their understanding of your content. To attach a file to a specific recording, you'll find a designated field within the VideoCom Cloud interface. You have two easy methods to add your files. Drag and drop. For a quick and effortless way, simply select the file from your computer and drag it over to the provided field. Browse and select. Alternatively, you can click on the field to open a file browser. Navigate to the location of your file on your computer and select it. By utilizing the Attachments feature, You can incorporate additional resources or reference material directly into your VideoCom recordings, providing a comprehensive and engaging experience for your viewers. Now it's time to explore how to actively engage with your audience using VideoCom's Comments feature. This powerful tool lets you create interactive dialogues by posting your thoughts, responding to viewer inquiries, and sparking rich discussions. It's a fantastic way to foster a sense of community and two-way communication, thereby enhancing viewer participation. The Comments section is conveniently located. Simply click on the comment icon in the top right corner to unveil existing comments or add a fresh one. Remember, you have the power to determine the visibility of your comments. They can either be public, accessible to anyone with media access, or private. A private comment initiated by a workspace member is only seen by other workspace members, whereas private comments started by non-workspace individuals are only visible to themselves and workspace members. To start commenting, ensure you're logged in. All you need to do is type your thoughts into the designated field and voila! You're ready to initiate a lively discussion.
Adding call to actions or CTA to a video is a highly effective way to drive engagement and guide your viewers towards taking a specific action. Here are some reasons why you would want to include CTAs on your video. Direct viewers. A CTA helps guide your audience towards the next step you want them to take. This could be anything from visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, downloading an ebook, or making a purchase. Track performance. By monitoring the click-through rates of your CTAs, you can measure the effectiveness of your video content and make data-driven decisions for future content. Generate leads. If your goal is lead generation, a CTA can drive viewers to a landing page where you can capture their contact information. Improve sales. For a product-specific video or demos, a clear CTA like Buy Now or Add to Cart can directly lead to increased sales. Remember, a well-crafted CTA aligns with your video content and a viewer's stage in the buyer's journey. A clear, concise, and compelling CTA can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your video content.
We'll guide you on how to incorporate call to actions, CTAs, into your recordings, making your content more engaging and interactive. To start, select the recording where you'd like to add a CTA. Look for the clicking cursor icon among the tools on the upper right side of the recording page. This tool is your gateway to adding CTAs. Clicking it, you'll find any existing CTAs for the video or a prompt to create a new one. Let's walk through creating your first CTA. Click on Add New to start the process. You'll follow these steps. Define the URL. URL, or Uniform Resource Locator, is the specific web page you want your viewers directed to when they interact with your CTA. It could be a product page, a sign-up form, or an informative blog post. Make sure the URL is relevant and aligns with your CTA to maintain viewer trust. Choose the trigger type. You have two options, button or hotspot. A button adds a clickable element to your video, while a hotspot creates an interactive area that will open an URL when clicked. Customize your CTA. If you've chosen button, you'll decide on the button's text, shape, and color. You'll also set the button's appearance and disappearance times on the video. If hotspot is your choice, you'll adjust its size and position, and set when it will show and hide. And just like that, you've created your first CTA. This powerful tool enhances viewer engagement and directs them toward the next step in their journey with your content. Enjoy experimenting with CTAs in your videos. Now let's delve into the elements that will make your videos truly stand out. We'll be exploring an exciting feature known as video inserts. This unique tool lets you embed supplementary videos within your primary recording to enhance your message, all without interrupting the flow of the original video. The main video resumes automatically once the inserted video finishes playing. Video inserts function much like CTAs, but instead of launching a new tab or window, they allow an additional video to play within the current recording. To create a video insert, follow these simple steps. Click on the Video Inserts icon, then select Add New to launch the Add Video Insert pop-up. Provide the URL of the video you'd like to insert. This URL will direct the viewer to the supplemental video when the button or hotspot is clicked. Choose the trigger type for your video insert. Button generates a clickable button that viewers can interact with. Hotspot. This creates an interactive area within your video that, when clicked, plays the additional video content. Hotspots are ideal for creating an immersive experience without needing a separate visible button. Customize your video insert button if applicable. Button text adds a label to your video insert button. Button color modifies the color of your video insert button. Button text color alters the text color of your video insert button. Button shape allows you to choose between square and rounded designs. Set the start and end times for your video insert. Start time determines when the video insert button or hotspot will appear. End time allows you to choose when the video insert button or hotspot will disappear. By incorporating video inserts into your recordings, you can create a more dynamic and engaging viewing experience for your audience. Enjoy exploring this powerful feature and take your content to the next level with VideoCom. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly share your media files using direct links, email, or by embedding them on your website. This way, your content can effectively reach your targeted audience, all the while ensuring optimal security. Here are the steps to share your files. Find the three-dot icon, often called the kebab menu, located at the bottom right corner of your file's thumbnail in the tile view, or at the top right corner when you're viewing a specific file. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu with multiple options. In this menu, select either Copy Link for a quick sharing option, or Share for more granular controls over how your file is shared. Once you click on Share, a pop-up window will appear offering 3 distinct sharing methods. Share tab. This provides a shareable link that can be distributed freely. You have the option to restrict viewing access to only workspace members, or to allow anyone with the link to view the content. For added security, you can request viewers to provide their name and email before accessing your media, with the option for email verification. You can also set the start time of the shared video to direct viewers to a specific part of the content. For Web tab, this provides an iframe code which can be embedded into your website to allow viewers to access your video directly from there. For Email tab, this gives you a code that, when pasted into an email, provides a preview of your media and automatically inserts its title, creating a professional and engaging email invitation. With VideoCom's flexible sharing options, you can ensure your files are shared securely while reaching your intended audience with ease. Enjoy exploring these features as you share your content with the world. VideoCom Cloud's insights provide 2 levels of analytics: Media Insights and Detailed Insights. Media Insights offer broad metrics like total views, unique viewers, completion rate, and geographic data. Detailed Insights add more depth, including week-by-week views, top viewer countries, individual viewer data, and information on interactions with calls to action and video inserts. These tools help you understand viewer engagement, content success, and guide future content strategies. To view insights for either your workspace or a specific file, follow these steps. For a single file, click on the 3-dot menu at the bottom right of the file's thumbnail and select Insights from the submenu. For your workspace, click on the pie chart icon to the right of the search field. Remember, if you're in the My Media area, you'll see insights for your personal files, and if you're in the Team Media area, you'll see insights for files shared with your team members. This data helps you understand engagement and performance for individual files or your entire workspace. Adding a transcript to your recordings in VideoCom Cloud is a breeze. These transcripts double up as subtitles, enhancing accessibility and comprehension. Here's how you can do it. Choose the video to which you wish to add captions. Click on the 3-dot menu at the upper right of the video and select Generate Captions. That's it. The platform will now auto-generate captions for your video. This process may take a few minutes. Once completed, you'll receive an email notification. Upon receiving the email, navigate back to your video. Check the attachments where you'll find a file named Transcript auto-generated. Feel free to rename this file, perhaps to indicate the language used in the transcript. You can also download the file. This is especially handy if you wish to translate it into different languages. Finally, you'll see a new CC icon at the bottom right corner of your video. Use this to toggle your captions on or off. Happy captioning! The final aspect of VideoCom Cloud we'll explore is how you can customize settings for each individual file. To access this feature, click on the three-dot menu located at the upper right corner of the specific file you want to customize. Select Settings from the drop-down list, which will prompt a pop-up window. In this window, you'll find a range of settings that can be adjusted for that particular file. Feel free to toggle these settings on or off to tailor the viewing experience to your needs. Here's a rundown of the settings you can alter. Send me activity notification by email. Enable this if you wish to receive email notifications for any activity on this file. Allow viewers to leave comments. You can enable or disable the ability for viewers to leave comments on your file. Download media. This option controls whether viewers can download the media file. See media views. This determines if viewers can see the number of views the media has accumulated. See media tags. You can decide whether to display the tags associated with the media. Feel free to experiment with these settings to optimize the experience for both you and your viewers.
As we conclude this module, I want to remind you of the impressive suite of features offered by VideoCom Cloud, designed to empower content creators, marketers, and business owners like yourselves. Remember, VideoCom Cloud is not just a secure cloud-based storage solution. It's a comprehensive media management platform. You have the freedom to organize and manage your personal and shared files in the My Media and Team Media sections, respectively. Plus, additional organization is possible with collections. As creators, you'll find value in the platform's content enhancement features, including the ability to add descriptions, tags, attachments, and comments. These tools not only better organize your content, but also increase viewer engagement and accessibility. Looking to direct your viewers towards a specific action or supplement your content with additional videos? Features like call to action and video inserts are at your disposal, ready to take your viewer engagement to the next level. Sharing your content is straightforward with VideoCom Cloud. Whether it's via direct links, email, or embedding files on your website, the platform supports it all. Not to mention, the detailed analytics tool available will help you understand your viewer engagement and inform your future content strategies. For those concerned about accessibility and comprehension, VideoCom Cloud has got you covered with its automatic transcript generation feature. Lastly, remember that you have complete control over your individual file settings. Whether it's about viewers leaving comments, downloading media, or viewing media views or tags, you're in control. You can even choose to receive email notifications for file activity. In essence, VideoCom Cloud is here to help you store, enhance, share, and analyze your content most effectively. It's a complete media management toolkit designed with you in mind. Let's make the most of it.